Alexa, open WhatsApp and send good night to Adi.
Opening WhatsApp and send goodnight to ADI.
So in 20 seconds, web.whatsapp.com will open and send message to Adi. WhatsApp web.com is open and it is ready to send message to Adi. Good night. So hey, what's up guys, welcome to Codona, Coding se Darona. So in this video we are going to automate our WhatsApp with the help of Python. So in the previous video we had write a script to automate our YouTube with the help of Python. If you have not seen that video, then I had provided the link in the description box so you can check from there. So let's start this video. So open your VS Code editor. So in this particular project we have been requiring three packages, or we can say three libraries, that are speech recognition package, pyttsx3 package and pywhotkit package. So let's get back to our VS Code editor. Let's open a new terminal. So let's install our first package, pip3 install. So why I'm writing pip3, because I had a pip version of third part. Okay, so pip3 install speech recognition package. So you can directly copy from there also. So let's open speech recognition package and let's copy this to our clipboard and paste it to our VS Code editor. So yeah, directly speech recognition package get installed in our terminal. So it will take some time. So yeah, our speech recognition package get installed. Let's install our pywhotkit package. Let's paste this. So our pywhotkit package is also get installed. Let's install our pyttsx3 package. So our pyttsx3 package is also get installed. So let's import all the three packages that we have done in the previous video also. If you have not seen my previous video, then I had been providing the link in the description box so you can check from there. So let's import all the three packages. So import speech recognition package. So we can name it as SR. We will repeat the same steps for other packages. So after importing these three packages, we have to first understand the logic behind this project. So we are saying a command to our PC, or we can say to our script, that PC open the WhatsApp. So how this whole process will be running? So first of all, we have to set one recognizer for our voice. So that is why we are making a listener that will recognize our voice. So after that, we have to make an engine that will initialize our pyttsx3 package. Okay, so pyttsx3 package dot init. After this, let's say I have to change the voice of a man to a woman, that we have done in our previous video also. So what I am doing is I am writing a engine property. So engine dot get property voice. So what it will do, it will call an array of voice. After calling the array of voice, we have to set the property of voice to an index 1. So the voice of Alexa is set at index 1. So let's first make a function. So def talk. So the talk function will talk to us, and the text we are returning it to is engine.say. So engine.say text. So what we are seeing, the engine will say to the text automatically, and before saying it we have to run and wait. After that, we are making another function that will take the command. Okay, so let's make take command function. After that, we are making a try and catch block. So in Python there is no try catch block, there is a try and except block. So you can pass the code there. So what a try blocks do, that it will try to reach your command. That yeah, if let's say your microphone is not working properly, then that try block will execute the command accordingly. And if it is not able to execute the command, it will pass out the whole power to the except block, and the except block will execute their code. Okay, so in the try block we are making a with that will execute our sr.microphone as a source. So let's print listening so that we can recognize that our PC is listening to our voice. Let's make a voice as a variable. So what will the voice will do? It will listen the source. Okay. So we are making listener.listen function and we are passing the variable source. After that we are giving a command to our listener for recognize Google. So why we are writing here Google? Because the whole recognition process of our voice is performed through the Google API. So after that we are giving the command to a lower function. We are making the conditions that if our text contains or our speech contains the Alexa command, so what we have to do? So let's say if I am saying Alexa open WhatsApp and send a message to Adi, or Alexa open WhatsApp and send a message to my daddy. So in this whole process the Alexa word will got replaced with the empty string. So if Alexa command, so command is equals to command dot replace, okay, Alexa, and replace it with empty string. After that we will print the whole command again. So what it will print? So let's say I had said Alexa open WhatsApp and send a message to my daddy. So what the whole command will repeat and print? Opening WhatsApp and send a message. So here the Alexa word got emitted. After that we have to make a accept block, and in accept block we have to pass this function that I told to you in my previous video of automation of YouTube, returning command. After that we have to make a run Alexa function. So this whole process is same as we have done in our previous videos. So command is equals to take command print command. So in this particular function we have to make some cases. So if our command contains open, let's say I am saying Alexa open WhatsApp and send a message. So how this open will replace by an empty string? So WhatsApp is equals to command dot replace is the open word with empty string. After that we are applying a talk function, so it will give the text like opening WhatsApp and send a message. And the most important library that we are using here is pywhatkit. So pywhatkit dot send what message library. So the structure of this library is at first place there will be the phone number to whom you have to send a message, and that second place you have to write your message, that what message you have to send. At third and fourth place you have to write the time, that at what time you have to send the message. Let's say the phone number to whom I had to send the message is, so I'm not able to show you the phone number due to some privacy reason. So I want to write good night. So at third and fourth place I have to write the time, so I'm following the standard time rule. So let's say right now the time is 9:46 p.m. So I will be writing it as 9:21, 50. So I'm taking 4 minutes as a buffer time so that I can write the remaining code. So I will do it as else, and in the else block I will be calling the talk function, and what this talk function will do, it will say that please say the command again. So what does it mean? If the block is not executing the code, then it means there will be some mistake in the speech. So I have to send a message to the user that please say the command again, and I am closing the whole function with a while loop so that I can execute the listening process again and again. and passing this to run Alexa function. So run Alexa. So please note down that we have done a mistake here. Voice says, earlier I had written voice, so please correct it and write voice says. Okay, so let's save the code and run the code. Alexa, open WhatsApp and send a message to Adi.
Opening WhatsApp and send a message to ADI.
So see, in 42 seconds, the web.whatsapp.com will open, and after 20 seconds, message will be delivered. So let's see. So I am rewinding this video to save your valuable time. So see how automatically the whatsappweb.com is open, and it will send a message to Adi, and see at the message bar good night is written, and we have seen that after 20 seconds the WhatsApp message will automatically send to the Adi. So see how automatically the good night message is sent to Adi. So as you can see how easy it is to send message to someone by just your speech. You have to just change the phone number here and just write a new message with change in time. So I hope you have liked the video, and if you have any doubt then please comment in the comment box section so that I can solve your problem. And if you have still not subscribed my channel then please subscribe to Codona so that you can get the ideas of these amazing projects. Thank you.